Every 3 minutes across the world, a good meal is destroyed due to severe challenges from backyard grills. Grills just like yours suffer from flare-ups, uneven heating, and rust. Rising food costs have made the future of group gatherings at the grill seem uncertain. But there is hope. By supporting the Flavor Zone from GrillGrate, you're not just saving meals, you're saving lives. The Flavor Zone works on any grill, restoring faith in the Grillmaster, nourishing those in need at the kickback. Together, we can ensure that no burger is overcooked. Visit GrillGrate.com and you can help save backyard grills, rescuing much-needed meals all summer long.